you're interested in getting started in angel investing, I'm going to give you a couple of quick tips to get you started. Make sure you're heading the right way. And if you're a founder thinking about pitching investors, this can actually be a great tool for you to learn as well how investors think. So I got into angel investing about 5 years ago, and I really had no idea what I was doing. I got started by joining about 5 or 6 different angel groups because I wanted to get deal flow, meaning I wanted to see a lot of different startups, and I wanted to learn from the quote unquote experts in terms of how they looked at companies, how they looked at deals. And I wanted to see how they all functioned and operated. One of the things I quickly learned and realized was that there are 3 different types of angel investors, and it's really important to understand which one you are. Number 1 are angel investors who are hobbyists. They're not professional angel investors. They do it more for the social aspects of angel investing. They may go to these angel groups and angel events to network and meet other investors, meet other people, but they're not really doing it to treat it as a business or a true investment opportunity. The second type of angels are folks who are true investors. They really take angel investing seriously. They think about it as a business, and they are actively investing in a number of different companies. The key difference between these two, especially for an entrepreneur, is deal velocity and check size. The people who are a little more social in angel investing may only write a couple checks a year, and those checks may not be particularly large. They may also take a very long time in terms of diligence. That means working with founders to really understand the pros and cons of their business. On the other hand, angel investors who are really full-time angel investors, they will write significantly more checks on an annual basis. And so these are going to be folks who really take the business seriously. So to get started, you want to figure out how much you want to invest and split that investment over the course of 3 years. And what you really want to do is think about 25 investments. So you're going to invest in 25 companies and you're going to make 5 follow-on investments. And the reason you need to do this, if you're a more serious angel investor, is you need to have shots on goal. The whole business of angel investing is diversification. If you are only making a couple investments, you're either going to hit or you're going to lose. Most angel investments are actually not successful. And so if you're really taking this casually and only making a couple bets a year, you're actually setting yourself up for a high probability of failure. To really take this seriously, you need to make 25 to 30 investments over the span of a couple of years, and that will help tune your portfolio for both diversification and give you the experience of seeing hundreds of pitches, hundreds of startups to help you understand what's going on. Now, the third type of angel investor is someone who may not even see themselves as an angel investor at all. And this is something I absolutely recommend for entrepreneurs. If you're an entrepreneur and you're looking to raise money, set aside a couple $1,000s and use platforms like WeFunder or Republic to see lots of other founders pitch. Now, the reason it's important to set aside a couple $1,000s is you want to make it real. You really want to understand that your money's going into a startup, and you want to have that critical eye, critical ear in terms of what do I really need to know? What am I really looking for? And how deeply am I looking at these companies to truly make an investment that is non-trivial? Now, this is exactly how investors think when they're looking at companies. And if you're an entrepreneur, this will give you that same muscle memory of looking for greatness in pitches, looking in greatness in founders, founding teams, and ideas to help execute. I hope you're an angel investor. I hope you're an entrepreneur getting out there, writing checks, and helping make the world a better place. I'm Greg Reyes. I talk about entrepreneurship, technology, and design. I'll catch you on the next one.